The DMG MORI Open House is held here in Pfronten. This is where they open their doors to thousands of visitors from across the globe and show off all of their technology. And so we're here to get some of their latest business updates and find out why they hold such a prestigious event.
So, we hold this event because Pfronten Open House is normally our traditional open house. So we have a more than 20 years history with these open houses, and it hosts our international guests and here in Pfronten in the factory. So basically, of course, it's visiting the factory, making factory tours, right? But of course, we also have here our showroom, which we renovated in the last 2 years and enlarged here. So we have more than 50 machines, and the core issue here is, of course, automation.
In numbers, we are producing here in the plant around about 1,200 machines per year. And here we are now in our excellence factory for the monoblock assembly. And just out of this hall, we are producing more than 500 machines, and we will increase that even to 800 when we introduce our two-shift operation end of this year.
So our international guests, they love first the landscape. They always like to come to Pfronten, right? But of course, it's our biggest factory which we have in Europe, right? And we enlarged the factory now, so we have built it up also a logistics center. So it's really a lot to see here in Pfronten. And here in the showroom, we have really the portfolio of machines, not only those which are produced in Pfronten, but also from our other factories and the automation solution. So there's really a lot to see here.
Since the last open house, we want to take time for our customers so that they do not need to rush through our exhibition here, to really have the possibility to take the time and talk their problems, their ideas, and also get our input for solutions of technology for their own production then again. Delivery times, that's quite a hot topic at the moment. We have really a very good situation in order intake, so it was booming like hell the first 4 months this year, and that means that our order backlog is growing. So at the moment we try to integrate here a two-shift operation in the monoblock assembly to ramp up our production to keep the delivery times in an acceptable range.
I think this changed a little bit, right, in the last time. So normally now, when they come to Pfronten, they are so excited to meet people again, to see the machines live, the automation solution, to talk live with our staff and with our colleagues. So I feel at the moment such a positive spirit here because everybody's just happy to be here and to have a live event again.